evening. A very good morning to all the respected senior members of IOS, all the life members and student life members of IOS, all the EC member and principal office bearer of IOS, and all the international member of WFO. I, Dr. Ashish Garg, on the behalf of IOS, would like to welcome all my enthusiastic fraternity member to the altar of OrthoSynergy 2021 and Interdisciplinary Orthodontic Symposium to commemorate World Orthodontic Health Day and break the fast this morrow with dose of knowledge and solidarity. For the invocation, I would like to invite Dr. Bhuma Vashi ma'am. Over to Bhuma Vashi ma'am, please.
शुभं करोतु कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तुते। स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिं महिषा गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी शस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः। ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु, सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु, सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। असतो मा सद्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय। ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति।
Tycoon and the ever-smiling president of IOS, Dr. Silvio Matthew sir, to deliver his welcome address and bestow his blessing upon this intervention. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Ashish. Good morning to one and all. The President of WFO, the Vice President, Dr. Suryakanta Das, Madam Secretary, Dr. Sridevi Padmanabhan, the Principal Office Bearers, the EC members, and your friends. A warm welcome to all on the occasion of World Orthodontic Health Day, celebrated to mark the signing of WFO Charter and celebrate the specialty of orthodontics. We at IOS join the world in celebrating World Orthodontic Health Day by organizing an interdisciplinary symposium called OrthoSynergy, signifying the synergy of different specialties with orthodontics, showcasing the young and the promising future talent of IOS through the Rising Star Lectures. Interdisciplinary panel discussion with the celebrated iconic experts from different specialties. A host of activities for postgraduate students with the theme of interdisciplinary and public awareness. There are about 124 downloadable posters and short videos on public awareness available on the ACF platform. I request you all to download it. A poster and a video on public awareness done by the Public Awareness Committee, ably led by Dr. Gaurav Gupta and his team, will also be released during the inaugural function. These are difficult times for all of us as a nation battles the ferocious second wave of the pandemic. We have lost a lot of close friends and family members, and I pray for the repose of the departed souls and those who are affected by the pandemic. I wish them well and a speedy recovery, especially those who have been affected. I also implore you to register for iOS Care, which is provided by the head office. iOS has also formed a COVID task force headed by the dynamic Dr. Sri Krishna Chalsani, our president-elect, to support our members with timely information and guidance during this difficult time. A separate COVID information and resource Facebook page has also been formed where you could get information about COVID-related activities across the country. We are also proud of the selfless service that many of our members are doing. I commend the efforts of the organizers of Author Synergy in spite of the challenges and personal issues that they have come forward to give their 100%. I thank the WFO President for his message, Madam Secretary for all her efforts, Dr. Puneet Batra for going out of the way in spite of ill health towards organizing the event, Dr. Ashish Garg, our smiling MC for the day, Dr. Raj Ganesh, Dr. Ashish Parekh, Padma Priya, Dr. Divyaroop, for being the people behind the show, especially the academic front, and the entire academic council, the EC members who have been supporting us and putting up a very grand show. I also thank Dr. Siddharth Shetty and his team for the quiz that will unfold as the day goes through. And special thanks to our Dr. Reena and our team, Agacia, who will be hosting this platform. Finally, wishing you all once again a happy World Orthodontic Health Day. Have a great 2 days of learning experience, and please do encourage these youngsters and rising stars who will be showcasing their talent. Please take care of yourself and family. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay cheerful. Thank you. Jai Avas, Jai Hind.
Thank you, President Sir. Thank you, President Sir, for your kind words. We have received message from WFO President, Dr. Nikhilesh Ved Sir. I request Mr. Shreyans to kindly play his message video.
Dear colleagues, greetings from the World Federation of Orthodontists. We are facing challenging times globally. And in the midst of this prevailing pandemic, it's important that we reconcile to the uncertainties that are facing this world. We still have professional obligations to fulfill, and that is towards the correct messaging of orthodontics globally. As creators of happy and healthy smiles, it's important we have a positive story to tell. And that's exactly going to be the theme of this year's World Orthodontic Health Day. In 1995, on 15th May, the Charter of the World Federation of Orthodontists was signed. And Indian Orthodontic Society was one of the founder charter signing members. I bring extremely warm greetings from the entire World Orthodontic fraternity to all members of the Indian Orthodontic Society. I hope and pray that you will spread the positive message of specialty orthodontic care by qualified orthodontic specialists only, to your patients, your professional colleagues, as well as the general populace in your country. A list of activities that can be planned has already been published in the Gazette, which is the newsletter of the World Federation of Orthodontists. Downloadable posters, customizable logos are all available on the WFO website, which will help you in celebrating this day. Over the last few years, the Indian Orthodontic Society has taken great initiatives to spread the positive message of specialty orthodontic care on the World Orthodontic Health Day. We appreciate all those efforts and are very hopeful that that will continue this year as well. As we pray for the world to heal, my entire executive at the WFO joins me in wishing the leadership, the members, and their families of the Indian Orthodontic Society warm wishes on this World Orthodontic Health Day. Stay happy, stay cheerful, and keep spreading that smile. God bless all of us.
Thank you, WFO President Sir, for your beautiful message. Now I take the pleasure to invite our Vice President of Indian Orthodontic Society, Dr. Suryakanta Das sir to deliver his welcome address and share his thoughts about this program. Over to you, Suryakanta Das sir.
Thank you, Dr. Ashish. Good morning to one and all. Dear President IOS, Dr. Seju Matthew, Honorary Secretary, Madam IOS, Dr. Sridevi Padmanabhan, other principal office bearers, entire organizing team of OrthoSynergy 21, EC members, dear delegates, and all the members of IOS. Well, it's my greetings at first to all of you on this World Orthodontic Health Day. I feel what a way to celebrate by having OrthoSynergy 2021. During these difficult times, when many of us are struggling on the personal front, OrthoSynergy 2021 reflects the dedication, determination, and commitment of the organizers. Well, that is the true spirit of India. To that matter, Indians who always stand up to any adversaries. In fact, we had doubts about participation of delegates at this crucial time. But I must openly congratulate the IOS leadership, which was not worried about the number of participations, but they wanted wholeheartedly to engage with our members in the best possible ways at this difficult times, be it OrthoSynergy 2021 or IOS COVID support team, whatever. These noble intentions, they go really a long way. I sincerely thank the organizer, given a direction to the moment as a true leader does. Thank you so much. Wishing you a very positive life ahead. And over to you, Dr. Ashish.
Thank you, Mr. Vice President, sir, for your kind words. Now, I would like to invite the leading lady, the one behind all this jazz, our humble and gracious Honorary Secretary of IOS, Dr. Sridevi Padmanabhan ma'am, to deliver her welcome address and release the public advisory. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Ashish. President of the Indian Orthodontic Society, Dr. Seju Matthew, Vice President, Dr. Suryakanta Das, President-elect, Dr. Sri Krishna Chalsani, other respected office bearers and EC members, beloved IOS colleagues, and dear student members who have joined us today. It is conventional to celebrate World Orthodontic Health Day to emphasize the importance of orthodontics on health. But in these trying times, on this occasion, I wish you all a very happy world filled with healthy and happy orthodontists. Although the times have been extremely challenging, it was the conviction of the President and the enthusiasm and hard work of the management committee members for having made this program possible and in creating a platform for so many of our life members and student members to interact in an atmosphere of learning and positivity. I thank you all for your support and participation. It was very nice to listen to the message from the President of the World Federation of Orthodontists. His message of positivity also reinforces us. I also thank other members many challenges. It is therefore important for the orthodontic community to connect with the public with useful information and relevant information in a sense of public service of solidarity. I wish you all stay safe. Jai IOS, Jai Hind. It is therefore now with a sense of duty and pride that I release this advisory.
Thank you, Secretary Ma'am, for sharing very informative and authentic video with all of us. Now, I would like to invite the immediate past president of Indian Orthodontic Society, Dr. Pradeep Jain sir, for the official release of public awareness poster.
I think sir is having some technical issues.
Mr. Shreyans, can you share that poster? Thank you very much, sir. Now I would like to invite the chairman of Public Awareness Committee, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, to hand over the public awareness video to the President-elect of IOS, Dr. Sri Krishna Chalsani, sir, for its official release.
Good morning, dignitaries on the dais, respected President, sir, Honorary Secretary, Madam, Vice President, sir, President-elect, sir, and all the dignitaries on the dais. On the behalf of Public Awareness Committee of Indian Orthodontic Society, I would like to hand over the public awareness video made by the Public Awareness Committee to the President-elect Dr. Sri Krishna Chalsani, sir, for releasing it. Like the WFO President, sir, told us that we have to emphasize on specialty orthodontic care, and the motto for the Public Awareness Committee of IOS this year has been orthodontics by orthodontists only. And this video, we have tried to emphasize that. I would request Dr. Sri Krishna Chalsani, sir, to please release this video. Thank you. Jai IOS, Jai Hind.
Very good morning to one and all. Am I audible, Dr. Gaurav?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good morning to one and all. Good morning, Mr. President, Secretary Ma'am, and all EC members and all the delegates. It's a great day. In spite of having problems at home, many of our members still have worked so lot for the OrthoSynergy program. Really hats off to them. Can't mention one person's name. Everybody, one way or other way. It's really great work job done. And I congratulate Gaurav for public awareness bringing out the video. Gaurav, more than me, you are eligible to release it. I request you to release because it's your hard work. Please, over to you.
Sir, it will be an honor if you can release it. Thank you, sir.
I do share the honor to release this along with you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Orthodontics is a specialty of dentistry that deals with the diagnosis, prevention, and correction of malpositioned teeth and jaws and misaligned bite patterns. It can also focus on modifying facial growth through dentofacial orthopedics. An orthodontist is trained to diagnose, prevent, and treat teeth and jaw irregularities. They correct existing conditions and are trained to identify problems that may develop in the future. Orthodontists work with people of all ages, from children to adults. In order to achieve the best results, both aesthetically and functionally, orthodontists have to work with other dental specialists and resort to an interdisciplinary approach that enables them to get the most favorable outcomes.
I would like to congratulate Dr. Gaurav Gupta for making such a crisp video for a general public, which gives a clear-cut message to all of them. Thank you, President-elect, sir. Now, I would like to invite the man with penchant for perfection, our Chairman of Academic Council of IOS and Editor JIOS, Dr. Puneet Batra, sir, to give his welcome address.
Thank you, Dr. Ashish. Good morning, one and all. Wish you all a very happy World Orthodontic Health Day. Well, as we know that in these tough COVID times, things have been hard, and many of us have been scarred, these scars will remain for life. But looking at the positivity of the day, look at the resilience and the spirit of Indian Orthodontic Society. The leaders, the president, Dr. Silju Matthew, the secretary, Dr. Sridevi Padmanabhan, the vice president, Dr. Surya Kanta Das, the president-elect, Dr. Sri Krishna Chalsani, all of them, the principal office bearers, were so positive that we had to do this event and we had to showcase positivity in these tough times. I remember the words of Steve Maraboli, who said that life doesn't get easier and more forgiving. We get stronger and more resilient. And this is what Indian Orthodontic Society has proven today. Well, at the onset, I'd like to thank everyone who supported the cause. We chose the topic interdisciplinary care. Now, we all know that why this is important today. It's important because effective and efficient utilization of skills of various disciplines of dentistry can give the best result to the patient. It's the key in the combination of diagnostic procedures, treatment planning, therapeutic procedures with extensive communication among all the members. Therefore, Indian Orthodontic Society on this day chose the theme of orthosynergy to be interdisciplinary care. That is, that we are an integral part of various disciplines of dentistry, and we want to work together to deliver exemplary and good care for the patients. Well, in these tough times, I'd like to thank the principal office bearers, the entire academic council team of Dr. Ashish Garg, Dr. Raj Ganesh Gautam, Dr. Pradeep Raghav, Dr. Padma Priya, and Dr. Ashish Barik, who stood by me and helped me at the time when I was not strong enough to take the entire project on my shoulders. Well, I'd like to thank Dr. Reena Ranjit Kumar for all the help she does and for the Indian Orthodontic Society, especially for the platform of Agasia, all the EC members and all the Indian Orthodontic Society members to have been here and showing solidarity and positivity. I wish that all of you stay safe, stay healthy, and this spirit of positivity continues in Indian Orthodontic Society. Keep on spreading healthy smiles. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Puneet Batra, sir, for your kind words. Last but not the least, I would like to invite my dear friend, Dr. Raj Ganesh Gautam, to propose vote of thanks.
Respected President, Indian Orthodontic Society, Dr. Silju Matthew, sir. President, World Federation of Orthodontics, Dr. Nikhilesh Vaid. Vice President, Dr. Surya Kanta Das. Honorary Secretary, Dr. Sridevi Padmanabhan, ma'am. President-elect, Indian Orthodontic Society, Dr. Sri Krishna Chalsani, sir. Immediate past President, Dr. Pradeep Jain. Chairman, Academic Council, Dr. Puneet Batra. Respected members of the Executive Committee, other dignitaries in the audience, and our most valued delegates, the life members and student members of our societies, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed my proud privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. At the outset, I wish to thank the President, Indian Orthodontic Society, Dr. Silju Matthew, sir, for the initiative and concept of OrthoSynergy 2021. Conceived as a two-day carnival of interdisciplinary orthodontics, public awareness, and an opportunity for creative expression, this program was all aimed at rightfully showcasing the importance and role of orthodontics in partnering with the sister specialties of dentistry towards providing comprehensive oral health care for our patients, and aptly rolled out on the special day of World Orthodontic Health Day. I thank Dr. Nikhilesh Vaid, President, World Federation of Orthodontics, for sharing a wonderful message of positivity on the occasion of this day and OrthoSynergy 2021. I sincerely thank the Rising Star and the Student Star speakers who have immensely contributed to this event by the way of their scientific content in the form of oral presentations and creative idea submissions towards the cause of spreading public awareness about orthodontics. In this regard, I especially wish to thank the respected heads of departments and teachers across the country who have encouraged and inspired their students to contribute to this program. I thank the eminent panelists from our sister specialties for their contribution to the panel discussion on interdisciplinary orthodontics, topics slated for tomorrow, and all the students who will be participating in the quiz event that is to unfold later in the day. I thank our respected Honorary Secretary, Dr. Sridevi Padmanabhan Ma'am, for the constant support, constructive inputs, guidance throughout the planning and execution of this program. I thank the Vice President, Dr. Suryakant Das, President-elect, Dr. Sri Krishna Chalsani, sir, and all the principal office bearers, Indian Orthodontic Society, for their constant encouragement and support to the entire team throughout. I wish to thank all of you delegates for your enthusiastic participation today and tomorrow. This program would not have been possible without this unique virtual collaboration platform for blended learning and working, IGCIA. I thank our own Dr. Reena Ranjit Kumar ma'am, Mr. Shreyans and Ms. Natasha for the platform and all the support, logistics and assistance in this regard. Well, ladies and gentlemen, an event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels started rolling weeks ago. It required intense planning, brainstorming, and a bird's eye for details. We have been very fortunate enough to have a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues in the executive committee who have all given their time, efforts, and expertise towards the success of this program. I cannot thank everyone enough for their involvement on the various fronts and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks before their comfort zones. Right, starting from the academic council, the members of the scientific committee, the public awareness committee, the registration committee, the advocacy committee, and all the other teams who have given various inputs and hard work throughout the program. I thank and congratulate each and every member of the various committees in making this program see the light of the day. To conclude, I thank each and every one of you for being here today and tomorrow. Wishing each one of you and your families loads of good health in these difficult times. Signing off, yours truly, Dr. Raj Ganesh Gautam. Please stay safe and take care. Thank you so much. Jai IOS, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Dr. Raj Ganesh. With the present global circumstances, the essence of familiarity and unity cannot be appreciated enough. A platform like OrthoSynergy 2021 has brought all the fraternity members together to cherish our bonds as well as celebrate World Orthodontic Health Day. It's very apt to say that together we learn and grow, but by ourselves we burn out and become slow. I hope each and every participant will get a slight reprieve from the ominous gloom and could take away a piece from this event to make a good memory. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind, Jai IOS. Now I request all the delegates, all the moderators and coordinators to kindly log into their respective halls. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much everyone for attending the inauguration. So the next session